Hello children, again I am there with chapter 4 Civics Key Elements of a Democratic Government. Lecture number 3 Social Studies by Bhavna Kaushik. What are the things that we are going to cover now are causes of conflicts and settlement of conflicts. Conflict resolution. Causes of conflicts. We are going to study in this causes of conflicts. We can point out differences among people on the basis of many factors. Some factors are religion, race, caste, gender, region, and language. There are also differences on the basis of wealth. Now, there are certain differences among the people, and the differences can be like for religion, on the basis of religion, race, caste, gender, region, and language. There are like some people think that their religion is most important and the other religion is not important. Some think that they are having white color, some think that they are having black color. Differences between caste, something my caste is superior and the other caste is inferior. Male, female, region, and language. So there are certain factors on which the people differentiate among themselves. Rural and urban dissimilarities are also one of the reason for the causes of conflicts. These differences cause insecurity among people, leading to conflicts. Now, these are certain factors which lead to differences, which lead to insecurity among people. A picture you can see on your screen. This picture is showing you different religions, and the differences are also based on different religion. There are also differences on the basis of wealth, rich, poor. Several other reasons for conflict in India are जब कुछ लोग ये सोचते हैं कि उनको इनफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिल रही हैं उनके ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट के लिए, वो जहाँ थे वो वही हैं, एंड इवन दे कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस द व्यूज टू द गवर्नमेंट उनकी कोई बात भी नहीं सुन रही है, देन इट कैन लेड टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. एंड वेन द सर्टेन ग्रुप्स ऑफ पीपल, जब कुछ लोग ये भी सोचते हैं कि उन्होंने कुछ डिमांड्स करी हैं गवर्नमेंट को, लेकिन उनकी जो डिमांड्स हैं वो फुलफिल नहीं कर रही है गवर्नमेंट, सो दिस कैन ऑल्सो लेड टू कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. रिलीजियस प्रोसेशंस, कभी तीज त्योहार, हमारे जो सेलिब्रेशंस होते हैं उस टाइम भी काफ़ी लड़ाई झगड़े हो सकते हैं. कभी कोई जो एक कम्युनिटी है वो जुलूस निकालना चाह रहा है, दूसरी कम्युनिटी जो है वो अपने गॉड एंड गॉडेसेस को निकालना चाह रहे हैं, कभी एक ही रोड पे, then it can become a reason for the conflict. And also sometimes when we are going to play a song on DJ and that too on a high volume, and this can also become the reason for the conflict. So these things can become a reason for the conflict. Again, you can see a picture on your screens. The people are showing their anger as they are not getting enough opportunities for their growth and development. A second picture also you can see that the religious processions, celebrations are going on and the conflicts arose between the two communities taking certain matter. Now next reason for the causes of conflict is rivers. Rivers can also become a source of conflict between the two states. For example, Kaveri water dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Another example you can take of conflict of river water between Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. The matter was referred to as the Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal. Now, river also can become a source of conflict. How? Because, for example, we can take an example of Kaveri water dispute. As this Kaveri water is flowing between the two states, Karnataka is also receiving the water and Tamil Nadu is also receiving the water. Sometimes they have a feeling of that one of the state is not, that their state is not having enough water, and sometimes they feel that enough water facilities they are not getting which they should get. So this also causes a dispute between them. Second was the Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat river water dispute. It was of also Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal. Same case was there also between the two states, as they were thinking that enough water, the water as they should get, they were not getting that time, and this was also a dispute between the two states. As I have told you that rivers can also cause the conflict. I have told you about the Kaveri river. I have also told you about that the Kaveri river which is flowing between the two states, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Rivers can also become a source of conflict between the states. A river may begin in one state, flow in another and end in third. In such cases, sharing of water between the states become an issue of conflicts. You can see the water stored in Krishna Sagar Dam in Karnataka is used for irrigating a number of districts and meeting the water needs of the Bengaluru city. And the water stored in the Mettur Dam is also used to meet the needs of the people. Conflict arose because both the dams are on the same river, Kaveri River. The downstream dam can only be filled when the water is released from the upstream dam which is there in the Karnataka. Hence, both the states felt that they are not getting enough water, and due to this, the conflict arose between the two states. Hence, the central government had to step in into the matter so that both the states may get sufficient water facility, and the decision should be fair for the both of the states. Next point is settlement of conflicts. Conflicts must be resolved according to the laws of the land. Now, certain conflicts can be resolved according to the laws of the land. Certain conflicts are also settled by the police. The police maintains the law and order in the country. So the main role who plays in settlement of the conflicts is police. The work of the police is to maintain law and order in the country. You can see the picture where the policemen are standing and they are planning how to maintain the law and order in the country. Now the next point is courts too can resolve certain types of conflicts. There are many types of conflicts which police cannot resolve, and hence court has to interfere in these types of conflicts. So example, like a conflict which arises between two or more states, it can be referred to the Supreme Court of India. Kaveri water dispute between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, the boundary dispute between Karnataka and Maharashtra are the examples of conflicts between the states. So certain types, the big type of conflicts can be referred to the courts, where the court has to step in just for the resolution, just to resolve the conflicts. The topic is clear to everyone. Stay home, stay safe, read the chapter. Thank you.